Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Todoist for wedding planning, the complete 2025 guide. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to create a new project. In Todoist, a project is a neat way to keep all your related tasks together. So, go ahead and name this one Wedding Planning. This is important because it helps you declutter your tasks and focus only on the wedding preparations. Now that we've done that, let's move to the second step, adding tasks. Tasks are specific actions you need to complete. For example, book a venue, choose a wedding dress, send out invites, and so on. The reason we do this is to break down the monumental task of planning a wedding into achievable, manageable chunks. Next up, assign due dates to each task. This helps us because it prevents last-minute rushes and ensures everything is done on time. When you're adding due dates, remember to leave some buffer time for unexpected delays. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist will send you reminders based on these due dates so that you don't miss anything. The fourth step involves assigning tasks. If you have friends or family helping with the wedding planning, you can share your project with them and assign different tasks to different people. This is crucial for a collaborative effort, and it ensures that tasks are evenly distributed and everyone knows their responsibilities. Finally, use labels and filters for efficient organization. Labels can be things like urgent, can wait, or DIY. Filters help you see only tasks that meet certain criteria. For example, you might want to see only tasks due this week. Let me explain why this matters. It helps you prioritize your tasks and manage your time effectively. Now that you know how to use Todoist for wedding planning, you're all set for a stress-free and organized planning process. Remember, the key is to break down your tasks, set due dates, delegate, and use labels and filters. That's all for now. With these steps, you're well on your way to planning your dream wedding. Thanks for joining us today, and happy planning.